For sale. A beautiful manor house. Located near the Dordogne River, Aquitaine, France. It offers 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This historic 18th century manor is set on 30 hectares of meadows and woodland, near where the Dordogne and Vézère rivers meet. The main house spans 550 square meters with elegant reception rooms, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms across 3 floors, plus a guest house, caretaker's cottage and several annexes. The asking price is €1,950,000. Restoration is required, but the property retains its original character and offers exceptional potential in one of Aquitaine's most scenic locations. Thank you for watching.